Hi, Populist. Steve here with the latest Culture Corner. I hope we were all able to enjoy and are still enjoying some nice holiday time with loved ones. The new year is always packed with promise and hope, things we want to leave in 2024 and things we want to take with us as we continue to grow. And I know I can't be alone when I say one of those things I'd like to not take with me is my holiday debt or any other debt that has accumulated in this last year, right? This is a very sensitive topic, very personal. I completely understand, which is also why getting out of debt or asking questions can be difficult. Access to helpful information in a timely manner is crucial for your finances. This is why Populist has partnered with Sqwire. Sqwire is a financial resource platform that provides quick, easy to navigate courses on various financial topics. Most of us won't deal with financial topics, certain ones, until it's presented itself in our lives, like buying a new house or managing financial crises, right? Growing your family, investing in basics, just to name a few. But Sqwire also provides practical courses like core budgeting, get out of debt, and fix my credit. What about income tax basics? Again, just to name a few. We all should be enrolled in these courses, right? They provide great information and downloadable resources that are meant to be taken advantage of. Again, Populist has partnered with Sqwire, so this can be absolutely free. Why? Because Populist, of course, not only cares about your professional success, but also about your personal success. Just as a reminder, everyone is enrolled in Sqwire during their 6th week of employment. We all can access Sqwire through the eHub app under the link section. And if you have loved ones who you think would benefit from these courses, you can sign them up as well. So, when you first log into your account, you're going to be prompted to create what they call a heart map declaration. Once you finish this declaration, you'll see it every time you log into your Sqwire account. See, the point of this declaration is to confront you and me each time we log in and explain the why behind your logging in. These can be very powerful statements if you want them to be, and a great way to help your loved ones understand how important this is to you. So, y'all, as we start 2025, I challenge all of us to spend some time on Sqwire with our loved ones and see if you can make this year the year you reach your financial freedom. All right, y'all, that's all I got. Until next month, let's get it. Woo!